Hello everyone, I'm Neha Singham and this is my teammate Ritvik. So here we are today to show you the functionality of our app. We're still working on it, we're not done with it. We have achieved few functionalities of it. So our app idea is an apartment finder app. We have named it UrbanIn and let's start with our app.
Hey everyone, my name is Ritvik and today I'll be walking you through the project prototype. So when we launch the application, we are greeted with the intro slides. We can swipe across all of these. These are essentially just an onboarding way.
So once you are done with the intro slides and you click on get started, you land into the activity selection page where you get to choose from 3 activities present here. So you can look for roommates, you can look for a place, or you can add your place to rent it out. So if you're looking for roommates, you can click on this button and then here you'll get a list of all people looking for roommates, like there will be card views separately. So we're still working on this functionality, this is not completely done. And then if you go back, so if you are looking for a place to rent, you can click on this button and you can see listing of all apartments.
Navigate to the main activities. And these intro slides are only introduced when the app is launched for the first time. So if I were to destroy this current session and launch the app again, we will directly be navigated to the main landing page. So the initial landing page is our map view, which is using the Google Maps API, and we have a search bar as well, which is using the Google Places API. So this helps us search any of the places that we can see on Google Maps. And this view has two different modes. So this is the map view where all of the listings will be placed in different markers, and we can switch to a list view, which is essentially just getting the data from the Cloud Firestore database. So these are all the listings which were added in the renter mode. So a landlord can add any listings and upload all of the images and the details of the listing. And as a tenant who's searching for a place, we can look at these different listings. And this is the list view. So we can, once we click on any of these views, we can see all of the detailed information and if there are different floor plans, all of the different units which are available. And when you switch to the map view, we can see all of the different markers for all of the listings. Presently I have included like dummy data, so that's why this is the location, but ideally all of the different listings should have a marker on them, and we can again navigate to the detailed listing page once we click on these different markers. We have a filter button on top right, and this is to help filter the different listings here, and all of these are fetched from the database.
Or apartments. And then if you are willing to add your place to rent it out or you want to add it as your listing, you can click on this and then you'll get the login page. That is, to add your listings you need to log in first. Till now you haven't logged in, you are just a guest user. So and we need to enter a username and password and then log in. If you're a new user, you can just sign up. And then so once we are done with the login, we can get the landlord's view to add listings. But the thing is, due to the merging of the code from different branches, we got merge conflicts and we're getting exceptions while running this part. So as you see here, we are getting few conflicts here. So that's why the code is not navigating properly. Like when you enter your username and password, click on login button, it's getting back. Or else when you click on sign up, the app is crashing. So we need to still work like on where we are getting these conflict issues, and we need to check with the code again. That's it. And then thank you. We are still left with some functionality, and also in the end moment, due to merge conflicts, we couldn't show some of the functionality that we have done. I hope we'll resolve it soon and show it by the next sprint review. Thank you.